Hello, my name is Mabin B. Matthews and my register number is URK17CS098. So today I'll be doing the 8th experiment in Java programming lab, that is multi-threading. So I have got two questions here. Let us look at the questions. So my first question is to create a Java multi-threaded application to concurrently print the message ping pong for every 1 second. Your application should print the above message using two threads T1, T2, where T1 should print ping and T2 should print pong. My second question is to create a class account with attribute balance to provide the following sources from the account class: withdraw amount, deposit money. Consider account has a shared resource to give access to three threads as follows. Thread 1 tries to perform withdraw amount, thread 2 tries to perform deposit amount, and thread 3 tries to perform view balance amount. Implement the scenario with multi-threading and synchronization used. There should not be any inconsistency in balance. So let us look at the program. So my first program is to print ping and pong simultaneously. So before going into this, let us understand what is multi-threading. Multi-threading is a process in which multiple threads tries to access the resource at the same time, or it's multiple threads do some task concurrently. So let us understand what is thread. A thread is a sub-process. So here I have created a class myThread1. I have got a synchronized print method. Synchronized print method means it will lock the object, and the object will be released as and when the thread completes its task. So here I have got another method, notify all. In try block I have placed the code which creates exception, and catch block I am have got a catch block where I'll be receiving a value or parameter e. I've got another synchronized method which will be lock, putting a lock on the object, and the lock will be released as and when the thread completes its task. Again, I've got a try block which will be catching, where the wait exception will be wait method is defined, which will be calling the wait method which creates an exception. I've got a catch block here as well, and I have got a class sample where I have defined the main method. I've created an object of class myThread, that is m, and here I have used override a notion which makes sure that the subclass has overridden the method from the parent class. Here I have used thread.sleep 1000. That means it will put the thread to sleep for the specified time given here, that is 1000. And I've got thread T2, an object T2, again override method. We know the function of the override method, sleep function again used. Then T1 and T2 start. Start means it will start the execution of the thread T1 and T2. So now let us look at the function of the program. So here, as you can see, ping and pong is simultaneously being printed. The thread T1 is printing ping and thread T2 is printing pop simultaneously. Now let us look at the second program in Java. That is, it is a banking operation performing, that is withdrawing and depositing amount concurrently. So I've created a class A here. I've given int balance equals to 10,000. I've got a synchronized method here which will be locking the object, and the thread will release the lock as and when the thread completes its execution. Here I will be printing withdraw stat, and before withdrawing I will be showing the balance. If balance is less than withdraw, in try block I will be placing wait method which creates exception. Catch block will be used to handle that exception, and balance equal to balance minus withdraw. So after withdraw I will show again the balance. Again I've got a synchronized method here which will be depositing. Before withdraw I'll be showing the balance, and balance will be updated, and I'll be printing the balance. I've created a class Java where I have defined my main method. I've created an object. I've created a thread T1 and a thread T2 also I've created. I'm using override notations to make sure that the subclass is overriding the methods of the parent class. I'll be calling the withdraw method, and I'll be withdrawing 1500 and depositing 2000. So simultaneously I'll be depositing and withdrawing, and t.start is used to start the execution of the threads, both T1 and T2. So let us look at the working. So as you can see here, before withdrawing 10,000, depositing before withdrawing 10,000, after withdraw it's 5,000. So that is 20,000 minus 15,000 is 5,000. So this is all about the program. Thank you for watching.